Welcome back to ICT concept trading concept. So here is the risk disclaimer. I don't have the time to spend over here. I have to come here because I took an entry. I need to see how it is working. Okay. So yeah, I will explain everything. First, let it finish. And I took the entry to the breaker block. Market came here, didn't hit my target profit for maybe one or two handle. I don't know. And then it came here, and now I'm in a very tense moment because profitable trade turns into the losing trade. Okay, so far I'm seeing this as a losing trade. All I want to see this order block retest. If it is a order block retest, then market should go higher now. Otherwise I will take a small loss for 5 handle, something like that. So yeah, I took an entry over there. When market went little lower, I add one more over there. So until now you remember these two loss. Then there was the first trade, the profitable trade was over here, then took small losses. Finally, I took another entry to the breaker block. I had the chance to close my trade over here, but yeah, I didn't did it. Also, I missed the level where I was expecting to put my stop loss. I'm sorry, target profit was over here to that rejection block, but because of something, I missed it. Okay, so over here, I you can see it came to the rejection block exactly. Okay, that is the rejection block. I missed it. I was too hurried, so I put my stop loss. I'm sorry, target first partial over there. I should have put it over there. I missed it. Okay, but it is what it is. I just can't move it right now. Even if it turns and hit me, I don't know what to say. Okay, when a winning trade actually turns into the losing trade, it happens sometimes. It's really so difficult to digest that. Okay, guys, can you hear me? If you can hear me, let me know that. Okay. Hey, good to see you back for PM profit. Okay, hello, bro. I couldn't attend to AM session. Glad to see you in PM session. Helena, yeah, it's cool, brother. But still, I'm in tension actually because this situation. Okay, because of this situation, I'm really intense. I missed this thing. Okay, I really missed with this. So I'm gonna put it here. If I don't get stopped out, market has more probability to go higher because it has been rejected from the rejection block. Let's see if it works or not. Yes, let's see one boom. I'm not sure about that. I don't know. Maybe it's gonna hit my stop loss. That was really a nice trade until when price was over there. I got near about over here. So it was near about 20 handle, but yeah, I missed it. So I'm not sure about that. It's going to hit my target stop loss or not. I don't know, but it is what it is. I can't just close. I can hear you, bro. Okay, thank you, dollar inset the dynasty. Thank you, man. Really, I don't know what to say right now because I don't like this price action right now. It has been trading this order block. This is my you know last barricade which can hold the price. I took the entry to that breaker block. You can see over here. This is the first candle which has broke the breaker block. The first candle. The very next candle I took entry over here. Okay, so it was volatility. That's why it's showing over there. But actually, when it push over there, I push my button. Then I took re-entry when price was at the min threshold of that breaker block. So that was my entry depending on the breaker block. And yeah, it has taken that high, rejected from the rejection block. All I need to see some kind of big move to that last parabolic gap from 1 minute chart. If it happens, then it's gonna be a profitable trade. Otherwise, you will see another losing trade. Okay, boring price action, bro. Still good. Okay, still good. Still tradable. But yeah, that's all. Okay, why can't you move break even, bro? The reason is market can trade to the breaker block one more time. See this breaker block? As market has been traded from the low of the breaker block, it can come back again to the min threshold of that breaker block. It can come back again until that level. So if I put my stop loss to the break even, then I will be stopped out prematurely. I don't want to be stopped out prematurely. Instead of that, I will be glad to take a 5 handle loss. So that will be a 5 handle loss. I'm really okay with that. I just can't put it over there. All I have to do is when I can put my stop loss to the break even. If market can go above that high, let me remove that rejection block. If market can close above that high, then I'll be able to put my stop loss to the break even. Otherwise, yeah, I can't. How to define breaker block? If will it will go down one more time in 1 minute. Okay, let's see. Do you prefer breaker block over fair value gap? Absolutely not. For me, breaker block is my best option to take entry. Okay, I love to take breaker block entry. I believe that I know something about the breaker block. That's why you see here that was also a breaker block entry. Here I took this entry depending on that breaker block. But if you ask me, I will tell you to go with the fair value gap entry. I mean, sorry, the 22 mentorship. Okay, so market will take the liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap entry. I will recommend that to you at your beginning. But if you really know what is breaker block, then this is the best option to trade the breaker block because 99% of the time it works. It works for me. So yeah. Hmm. Never mind. Okay, swag trade sort of that. Both of those down close candle is the breaker block, bro. Which one are you talking about? I don't know what you are talking about. Here, this is my breaker block. Low, high, lower low. Between two low, this is the breaker block. Why this is the setup for me? I mean, this is the breaker block for me because this run has closed that fair value gap. That should be unfilled. Okay, over here, this was the sorry real break unfilled area. There was the real unfilled area. So market has traded that unfilled area. So over here, if you look, actual the real breaker block is over here, but that was inside the uh, lunch hour, so I didn't go for that. Instead of that, I went for this one because this is the lowest low. Market is here, failed to take that low, take that liquidity. So I'm talking about here. It has taken that low, failed to take that low over here. Same time, it has closed either this fair value gap, but most prominently, it has closed that fair value gap. Remember, I told that if this fair value gap is closed perfectly, I will look for another breaker block. If you remember from the AM session I told. So this fair value gap has been closed. It's little tricky, but it's still it is what it is. Okay. So when it is closed, I go for that one as my breaker block instead of that one. The reason was this breaker block was inside the lunch hour. So when it is inside the lunch hour, I'm not interested to go for that breaker block. Still, I'm intense because all I need to see a body close above that high. If it is going to happen, I'm gonna be very confident that market is coming here to take that buy side liquidity. If it is not going to happen, maybe I will be stopped out to the break even. I mean, sorry, with a small loss, I'll be stopped out. But still, I'm okay with that. I have nothing to do. I have to accept the loss. So here, now here, look at this fair value gap. This is that kind of fair value gap over here, like this fair value gap. It should not be filled before taking that buy sell liquidity. But if it is filled by candle close 100%, then there will again I will look for another breaker block. Here this breaker block has done its job. It has taken that high. So it has already done its job. I'm gonna believe this breaker block will still hold the price. At the same time, I have this parallel gap which is holding the price. Order block, mean threshold is also holding the price. Every single thing is telling me market is going higher. That's why I'm gonna take this small risk, 500 loss. Okay, so you are here already. If you see, I have already a profit of $600 something, uh, near about $675. Still, I'm unable to close my trade because that will be premature close. I don't want to close my trade prematurely. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. Wait, isn't it supposed to be the convective candles? Oh man, new things. What is convective candles, brother? I'm really noob in price action, okay? And yeah, I don't know what does it mean, brother. Are you traded on funded bro? Yeah, I'm trading in my top step. You can see this is trade of it, real money with my top step account, okay? Not Apex. I don't really like Apex. The system they use, I don't really like it. So yeah. This candle should hold the price, send it back. This specifically these two candle, okay, it should hold the price. But before holding it, okay, I miss. That's my mistake. Sorry. That's my mistake. Body didn't close above that high, so no, it should not hold it. Body has to close above that high first. Then it will be the order block. First, body has to close above that high. But if it is missed that, I'll be happy. Let me check the 15-minute chart. Here, from the 15-minute chart, you can see the sloppy price action over here. Just sloppiness, nothing else. Absolutely perfect sloppiness. So yeah, and market didn't close above that high. But this last travel gap from 1 minute chart is broken. I'm happy to see that. At least I got at confluence, one confluences that's telling me market is going higher. Still, there is a lot of lows now. Highly risky trade right now. I should not hold it, but I'm gonna hold it because I build a psychology where I can't close my trade prematurely. Yeah, I can trail my stop loss, and I have a very bad habit of trailing stop loss right now before closing above that high. If I put my stop loss to the break even, that's kind of suicide. So I don't want to do that suicide. Instead of that, I will take that small loss. Okay. So yeah, there is nothing I can do with this price action. 150k, bro. I will trade on fund. Yeah, 150k. I have two account actually. 150k one and 50k another one. Now with the 50k, I'm struggling actually. After near about 3 weeks, still it's 200. Sorry, 2100 profit. I just go one step ahead, then I come back to a step behind with my 50k account. I'm really struggling with that. Maybe very soon I'm gonna blow that up. Okay, that 50k account I'm going to blow. If you close it, bro, we won't judge you. Thank you, Shahid, for that. But to be honest, I don't want to close it. Okay, if you ask me, I prefer to take that loss. I prefer to take that loss instead of closing in that profit. You have no idea how long it takes to build that psychology to hold the trade. Don't to not to close that prematurely. Okay, you are back again. Don't you even sleep? Hey, Proterapath, how are you, brother? Okay, guys, one more thing. Okay, there you can see on guy. His name is Proterapath, and he has a YouTube channel as well. If you ask me, he is my friend, and he's working with Market Maker X model, optimal trade entry, and then order block. I mean, lot of things. Okay, he has. Okay, if anyone is interested about Market Maker X model or optimal trade entry, I will say you that he will be the best to explain that. Okay, I don't know anyone is with him or not, but yeah, obviously, if anyone is interested of that, he's the best. I can recommend you, and trust me, I never lie to you. I never lie to you. Okay. It's up to you. If you want to uh, check his channel out, you can check it. Yeah, so Shahid, I guess what is YT channel? His IT channel is uploaded. But can you please put the link or something? It's a muscle, brother. The psychology that you are building will become stronger. Yeah, absolutely, brother. Bro, I'm blushing. Stop it. Okay. Thank you. Not. I'm not gonna stop. Actually, I'm going to stop. But before that, can you please write down your channel name, brother? So that if anyone is interested, that then he can actually I subscribe to Rotator Path. Oh, okay, that's cool. Yeah, but your friend is not good in RB. What does RB? What is it mean? RB? Okay, I think you are just what does it mean? RB? Does indices have the same price action as futures? Brother, I'm just trading NQM. You can see NQM. So I only know about this price action. So Rotator Path, can you please write down your channel name, brother? It will be easier to find out your channel if anyone is interested. Okay. Ooh. Okay. ICT Predator Pop. Rejection block the video. His channel name is the same, Pro Trader Path. Oh, okay, okay. So Pro Trader Path is his channel name. So you can search that. I guess you will find that. Yeah, again, he is the best describing MMXM, optimal trade entry, order block. I don't know how to use them, so I don't talk about them. If anyone is interested about them, like ICT told, market maker X model is the best model. If he had the chance to start it again, he would start with MMXM model. I don't know how to trade that on. I don't use that MMXM model, but if anyone is interested, you can check his account. Okay. Still, I didn't get. I think today is not a good day for me. Okay, I don't think so. I'm gonna put my stop loss to the break even. So I'm sorry, even if it comes back and hit my stop loss, I'll be stopped out. Okay, but I don't want to take that risk not anymore after seeing this huge profit. Okay, so yeah, that's all. Point 0.5 it hit, bro. 0.75 no. Boom for your trade. Thank you, RK16. Thank you, brother. But it didn't boom yet. Why you guys are writing boom? It didn't boom yet. Oh man. I don't need RB to trade. I am glad to learn from you too, bro. Okay, what does it RB? Oh, okay, rejection block. Yeah. Okay, that was a mistake. Whatever, just let it go. But yeah, to be honest, he's good. So it hit my partial, so I'm gonna put my stop loss over here. Okay, here. So I took the partial, and now stop loss is over here. If it hits me, I'll be happy. Otherwise, I'll let it go until that target. Okay, until here. I'll just let it go. Thanks, guys, for writing down boom. I love that word. Okay, I love that word. I know you love that word, brother. You're really, I love that word, man. It boomed in the United States, lol. Yeah, I was watching closely. Okay, okay, man. That is what we call partial boom. Oh, okay, so boo. Okay. 145 candle can be entry for upside. 145 candle. Uh, yep, it can be. I don't know. ICD Porter. I just watched his video actually. So if I find his channel here or not, let me check. I'm not going to. Okay, over here. This is his channel. I think I don't want to press the button because maybe it will be kind of uh something like what to say. I mean something. Okay, but here, Pro Trader Path, and this is his logo. You can check that out. Okay, because I saw a lot of people are asking me about MMXM model. As I don't trade MMXM, so I just can't explain that to you. So in my opinion, he is better explaining MMXM. So yeah, that's why I'm just referring him. I compare him with other people. I'm not telling this he's my friend. That's why still I hate him. Okay, he actually always challenges me. I hate him. I really hate him. But still he's good. Okay, when he's good at something, I have to agree with that. When he's good at something. So yeah, you can check his channel out. But don't think I love him. I don't love him. I hate him. I've closed partial two, holding another 560 minute open, just letting that 150 go as I don't want to drama, drama at 12. Okay, man, let's go. Take ALTS London. What's that? Why you don't trade MMXM model? Because I don't know how to trade that model. That's why, brother. Simple. I really don't know. Booms to the clouds. Dynasty. Thank you, man. Caesar boom. Thank you, man. Thank you. T2. You already trade MMXM. It's just the reaction inside the range to entry or last parallel gap and back to external. I didn't think like that way, but yeah, the way actually the MMXM is described uh, by ICT, I don't know how to figure that out. Okay, like A lot of people told me at the AM session that this is the market maker sell model. Okay, that means market is going to take the sell side. I wasn't believing that. I was believing that market is going higher because I don't know how to read that on. Then I asked pro trader, but brother, is that market maker sell model? And he actually ensured me that no, it's in his opinion this is not market maker sell model. Okay, I don't know he's right or not, but still now he's right and I'm also right. Okay, it is going toward that buy side liquidity. I marked it at the London session. Sorry, at the morning session. Okay, sorry. Yeah, at the morning session I marked that on. So far I'm right. Till it gave me the partial, and you can see the partial was near about 28 handle. I'm happy with that, and I have a lot of profit from Monday where I had no intention to take entry. I just took the breaker block entry over here. This is my breaker block. I took an entry to that candle, and when market came back again to the 50% of that breaker block mean threshold, I add one more. I put my stop loss. First I put it below this. See this fair value gap? I put it below here. Later when market went higher above that breaker block, I put it below that low. I was curious market would love to trade that fair value gap or not. I was very conscious about that. That's why I put my stop loss little bigger, and then I actually trailed my stop loss. Now my stop loss is over here. If it hit me, still I'll be profitable with some profit. Okay, over here 12 handle profit. Okay, even if it hits my stop loss, I'll be profitable with 12 more handle. My expectation is market will here go here and it will hit that sell, sell limit. Okay, the trade लेन से पहले क्या किया देखता. Jack Vagani, can you please ask me in English one more time, brother? My Hindi is not that much good, so please be good on one or two concepts and refine it. Yeah, obviously, but I mean, it's up to you. Some of you actually asked me about the market maker sell model, so yeah, I refer him. That's all. Market maker X model actually. So yeah, that's good. Whoever wants to trade, I mean, there is nothing wrong with learning. Okay, I don't think so. There is nothing wrong with learning. Did I try MMXM? Yeah, obviously I tried it. Did it work? No, it didn't work. For me, it didn't work. That what does it mean? That means market maker X model that doesn't work. Even ICT told that is the best. That is the best, man. The market maker X model is the best. What I'm showing you here, you are never going to see this from anyone else. The reaction of the last parallel gap and the first parallel gap. So I'm the one, just I am the one who is showing you something. You will never see this from anyone else. Now you are getting something similar to me right now because I saw one guy from Africa. I told that last time I saw that he's explaining the last parallel gap with a new name, but he was pretty much close. Okay, he was pretty much close. I really appreciate him. I don't know, but yeah, he's trying to explain this same thing. Maybe you will see this in coming days here and there, but until now, I'm the one who is explaining this price action with something with ICT, how to read the whole of this price action with precision every single time. How many times I'm wrong with my direction? I was wrong with my direction in FOMC days. First, I was right, 50% I was right. The first move, absolutely right. Do you remember the FOMC first move? Then the next move, I was wrong, but there was no entry setup. Okay, over here, there was no entry setup. Here, no entry setup, nothing. Until now, if you ask me, where is your setup? Until now, where is your setup? Let me check actually. Around here, market went lower, give you the market structure shift. This is the fair value gap entry. Now, it's not absolutely perfect, but it was a little perfect entry. Okay, I mean not absolutely perfect, but it was never. It's a good entry. That's all, brother. But until now, I don't see a perfect entry from today. This is just whole consolidation. See, went higher consolidation, went higher consolidation, went higher consolidation. Again, long-term consolidation, then went higher. So yeah, if you ask me about the price action over here, I will say this is the whole thing is the just consolidation over here, nothing else. But still, I'm trying. Okay, that's all. I'm trying to break it. Yes, I remember. Yeah, thank you, Caesar, for confirming that I'm never wrong with my direction. And how do I get that much precision? Just go and check Friday and Saturday live streaming. Check it from the Friday video I have uploaded, Friday price action video in Sunday actually. So you will see that to my channel. Go and watch them. You'll understand. I'm explaining everything over here from the morning session. So whoever was with me from the morning session, you all know how I define this whole price action. Here I was bearish. When this thing I got, I was bearish. Then when market closed here, I was bullish. Continuously I was bullish. Okay, so until now I'm bullish until this liquidity. I told you at the morning session, remember 18577.75. So I'll reminding you, remember that level. You are reading chart and price action like a poem. That's not important. How I am reading my price action. The important thing is, are you learning it or not? That's the important thing. Are you getting it or not? That's the important thing. Okay. Now the way why I would love to add more about pro trader path. Actually, the reason is I'm showing you how to read the price action. Now for the model, you can you can just go with the market maker sell model, X model. Optimal trade entry, yeah, still ICT pro trader path also explain the optimal trade entry, but I'm sorry to say I don't believe that anybody knows about the optimal trade entry. Okay, I'm still telling that even if he get angry on me, I don't care. In my opinion, nobody knows how to use that optimal trade entry accurately. You will need experience, 10 years, 20 years experience. So I'm not agree that someone who can trade like me, who is trading this thing on maybe 4 to 5 years and come with that optimal trade entry or premium discount things and telling that, okay, I know that. I don't believe in that shit. So yeah, still I'm against the optimal trade entry, but MMXM, if you know how to read the price, how to read the story, and now if you have the model, like I have the breaker block model, fast parabolic up model, last parabolic up model, lot of model. If you have the market maker X model with you as well, you will be the wizard of this market. Okay, that's the thing, brother. Now I have this $540 profit. I don't know what should I hold it or not? If you are looking for another setup, how you will look for that? You will wait to make a fair value gap from 15-minute chart here. Then if price come to that 15-minute fair value gap one more time, then you will look for another buy setup from there until that buy side liquidity. Is it clear? First, you have to wait to make a 15-minute fair value gap around that area. After making that 50-minute fair value gap, let me mark it. This is the shallow run, so market should go above. If it can make another fair value gap here from 15-minute chart, price come back again to that 50-minute fair value gap, take some liquidity, market structure shift toward that buy side liquidity, you will take that entry. What is this level? Highly premium. It's huge premium. Still, I will frame my trade from there with confidence, with 100% confidence. Where did I take that entry? Is that premium or discount? Just look to that leg. Is it premium or discount? Okay, I'll go from here to here. Still in discount. Sorry, in premium. So I took my entry to the premium zone. Thing is, market maker X model is awesome. So all you want to know the model, and in my opinion, he's the best. Though I don't like him, but still he's the best. That's why I referred him. Actually, I saw his video today when at the break time I saw his video, and I really get astonished because of his explanation. It was awesome. That's why I referred. Okay, now it's up to you. Yeah, I believe so. It's not that easy to trade optimal trade entry. The fib projection levels will differ, but the data from backtest and fortest will help identify it easier. It can be. I don't want to argue, but that's my opinion. I just tell my opinion. Okay, brother. No hate, nothing. I just tell you. I mean, tell everyone my opinion. That's my opinion. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay. I have other commitments, bro. I will join you tomorrow. Thanks for the lesson and insights. I like your model mode of teaching. Have a nice time, bro. See you, Dynasty. See you, brother. Ethan Pellet. Good night, brother. See you tomorrow. See you, brother. See you, man. Have fun. Yeah. Lol, are you giving compliments of pulling my legs? I am now confused. Whatever you want to say, you can say, but you are the best describing the MMXM. You are the best until now. Whatever video I have seen in my life, you are the best, and that's why I am recommending my viewers to your channel. So yeah, if you keep continue your MMXM, I believe that people will get a lot of help from you. That's my belief. Okay. So if you think I'm pulling your leg, I'm sorry, but that's my opinion. I don't know. I'm gonna be stopped out or not, but yeah. I would love to hold it, okay? I would love to try to hold it until that. If it hits me, I have nothing to do. But yeah, I will hold it. Okay, guys, there is near about 130 people and I got 29 likes. Is it fair? I got 29 likes. Just tell me, is it fair? You missed my question above. I meant to ask, where is new week opening gap in your chart? Okay, in my chart, there is my new week opening gap. Let me show you. Uh, uh, uh. There is my new week opening gap. If you want to mark new week opening gap, yes, you can. I'm not interested at all. So there is my new week opening gap. Okay. Okay, Shujit. I'm not interested at all, brother. Yes, 100% learning. Okay, Sizo. Thank you, brother. Thanks, man. The credit should go to Ali Khan and AK, as I have cleared a lot of confusions questions by taking his mentorship. Oh, okay, that's cool. Why do you care about your likes? As you said, you will leave the YT and market. The reason I have already explained. Before leaving this market, I want to send more information to more people. What I know, I want to send it to all of the people. The people are over here. All of them are going to learn from me. No, some of them are thinking they will stay here. They will take some direction. They will get some profit from here. Then they will leave. Lot of people are here to my channel who are not here to learn the price action. I can easily tell you how many people in my channel has who are really want to learn the price action, not the entry, nothing. It's you can count them. So if I get more people, then I will get more people who is interested to learn. That's why I care about the likes, brother. I saw your tweet, but price is reacting from there. I don't care, Sujit. The reason is that new week opening gap is very small. As ICT told, if you ever see a very small new week opening gap, you don't need to mark that in your chart. Okay, so I did mark it. So it's reacting. Maybe it's reacting from that new week opening gap. You will get some reaction from there, but I'm not interested to see that. That's all, brother. Okay, maybe I'm going to be stopped out. Mm, yeah, if I get stopped out, I'll be stopped out because I'm already profitable. Even from this floppy price action from Monday, that was my first entry. One small loss, another small loss. Here is my entry. Already huge profitable. Huge. Okay, huge. Yeah, it's okay. Hello, folks. Please hit the like button, share this stream to your friends, subscribe to this channel. Thank you, Ryan, for reminding people to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, man. Also, a share will help. Absolutely. If you wanna share, I'll be grateful to you, brother. Taking notes here. Jerry, thank you, brother. I really appreciate that. Whoever here is to learn, I really appreciate you guys. But whoever here just for the entry or the direction, maybe you are here only for the direction. You saw this guy is most of the time he's right. So let's get the direction and trade. If you are here with that intention, you are going to be regret, because I'm not doing this for forever for you guys. Okay, so yeah, if you know how to do that by yourself, you will be profitable. Trust me, you will be profitable. MSS, where toward the downside, I'm not interested to take sell. If I get a market structure shift toward lower side, I'm not interested to take sell. I'm only interested to take buy until price reach to that buy say, that fair value gap from 50-minute chart. Let's go to your 50-minute chart. See this fair value gap over here. This is the last fair value gap. Before reaching over here, I'm seeing this as a random reversal. Random reversal can't happen. Why price reverse from there? Trade that entry fair value gap over here. That was the entry fair value gap. Price came here, reversed from there. Here, this is the random level. Price can't reverse from the random level. It has to reach at least that last fair value gap. Then if it wants to go lower, it can go. Nothing wrong with that. So at the same time, there is the some buy side liquidity. My extreme buy side liquidity is over here. I don't think so market is going to take that on today, but if it take that on, I won't be surprised, but I don't want to see that. That's all. Okay, so overall I'm until here. Can I frame my trade from here? Go to your 15-minute chart. See, is there any 15-minute fair value gap where prices traded? No. So you can't frame your trade from here. You can't frame your trade from here. That's forbidden. Then what I'm going to do? The whole day I didn't see any setup. What should I do? You should leave today. That means this is a day where you didn't find any entry. There was no opportunity. Depending on that A plus plus setup, that means 22 IT model. There was no 22 IT model. I didn't get any setup. I didn't take any entry. Cool. Final. Finish, man. Just one day you didn't get any entry. But brother, I know how to take the order block entry. Go for that. I know how to take the breaker block entry. Go for that. I know how to do that MMXM. Go for that. If you know something, go for that. If you ask me what should you do, you should wait for the 22 IT model. And I explained that in a very clear way to my YouTube channel. Just go to my YouTube channel, watch this video. I have outlined every single thing over there. Just go to my channel, from video, A plus plus setup by IC trading concept. Just watch that video. I know it's a little longer video, 24 minutes video. Watch that on. You'll understand everything. Every single thing. I just write down the rules, how you should trade and how you should start your day. If you are lazy, how can I help you, brother? Lot of comment, brother. Lot of comment. In short, from new week opening up, brother. Sorry, I waited for new week opening up, then MSS, then short, 1 minute favor. Absolutely okay, brother. Absolutely okay. If you get that, absolutely okay. There is nothing wrong. If there is new week opening gap and prices reversal from that new week opening gap, absolutely fine. Market doesn't need to come here if there is new week opening gap, because the new week opening gap is the strongest last fair value gap. I didn't mark it on my chart, so I don't know. I am seeing this as a random reversal. If there is new week opening gap, price trade that new week opening gap, you got market structure shift, immediate reaction, go for that. Nothing is wrong with that. I'm not interested. That's all, brother. That's all. There is a 15-minute last fair value gap in the leg. Check this. There is no 15-minute last fair value gap. I saw it. There is nothing. Nothing, nothing. If you are talking about this one, this is not last fair value gap and it's not valid. If you are talking about this fair value gap, it's not valid because you are forcing market to give you a fair value gap. If you just put it like this way, this is the real way over here. You even can't notice that fair value gap over here. Where was that? Here. You can't even notice that one. It's nearly impossible to notice that one. Okay. So you have to look for this type of clean last fair value gap. That should be very clean. So market came back again to 1 minute last fair value gap. Let's see if it can go higher or if it keep going lower. There is 100% possibility market will go lower if it is coming from the new week opening gap. If it is coming from that new week opening gap, absolutely it can go lower. Nothing is wrong with that. Okay. Lena, can you take a look to our on our graphs? It rejected fair gap on our last fair gap. Absolutely perfect. It is rejecting from on our fair gap, but I'm not interested to mark that on. Instead of that, I would love to go with new week opening gap. If there is new week opening gap and price is actually rejecting from there, it's the valid reason. I'm just ignoring the hourly fair value gap as I'm bullish. Okay, as I'm bullish, I'm just ignoring that. This reaction from new week opening gap perfectly okay. Now I can see a lot of comment. I am unable to read all of them. Okay, I guess maybe I'm the one pure on who are here to learn from your experience. Cause till now I don't have real account to trade. Okay, man. Then congratulations, you are going to learn a lot of things, man. You can see market came here. Now it is going to hit my stop loss. Am I upset? No, I'm not upset because I missed all of this thing or missed all of this profit. How many profit I missed? 18 handle I missed. Am I upset? No, I'm not upset. I tried to catch that on, so I didn't catch it. I'll be happy to be stopped out over here. Why I put it over here? Just below that constant cosment of the last fair value gap from 1 minute chart over here. That was that 1 minute last fair value. Okay, I got it stopped out. So I'm gonna close it. So that's all. I'm here to learn your awesome order flow narrative. Thank you for your knowledge and time. You're most welcome, the hobby guy. You're new as well. I didn't see your name before. That candle at 224 did not break structure. 224. Absolutely, it broke the structure. Absolutely, it has broken this structure. It has shifted over here. It's forcing the market, but still, it's broke that one, that low, which is valid for shifting market structure. Absolutely. Yeah, that was a very nice sell, but if only if it has traded the new week opening gap, if only if market has traded the new week opening gap, then this sell is valid. Otherwise, this sell is not valid. Okay. System, you said MSS. I didn't see MSS near new week opening gap. It's the forcing market, but still you can see this is the. I mean, there is a little curve until that low, little curve, not a clean curve. This is a whole sideways, but the power of the new week opening gap can do that. I'm not interested to take sell. If I was here and looking for sell, I wouldn't take that entry. To be honest, I wouldn't take for that entry because this market structure shift, it's not perfect for me. I wouldn't go for that. That's okay. But sometimes the very bad setup is also work in a perfect way. Is I'm bullish until this buy sell liquidity is taken. I'm bullish. That's all, brother. It did trade new week opening gap, from 5. Okay, so if it is trading from new week opening gap, this sell setup you can take, but still I'm bullish. Okay, my bias is bullish, so every sell run I will just let it go. Every sell run I don't care. Yeah, it didn't trade any fair value gap, so I'm unable to frame my trade again here. If this was traded a fair value gap, then I would mark that swing high as my shifting market structure. That swing high, if it has been traded from a fair value gap from 50-minute chart. Now from 50-minute chart you can see the price action over here, very messy. You can go to hourly chart and you find out if there is any fair value gap from hourly chart or not. So there is a hourly fair value gap, but market didn't trade that fair value gap. Still it didn't trade that fair value gap, so I'm not interested to take any kind of buy or something. Here market has traded that hourly fair value gap. Remember, I marked that hourly fair value gap. It came to that hourly fair value gap, that's why I was confident to take buy. Simple thing, brother. Over here it has traded that hourly fair value gap, so I was able to frame my trade from there. As I am extremely bullish. as I'm already profitable, so I'm not interested to take any buy or anything, but that would be the entry. Just a second, guys. I'm just coming. So I have missed this profit. I mean, so from here to here, Sujit is going to give me that. Sujit is going to give me that 28 handle. That means $500, something like that. Sujit is going to pay me that. Okay. The reason is he knew that it's going to hit me, then it's going higher. He didn't tell me that. If he told me that, I would put my stop loss maybe little lower. I just give little more space from the consequent encroachment, little more space. I wouldn't be stopped out here. Now I could easily put my stop loss over here, below that low. I could do that, but Sujit didn't tell me. I got stopped out, so he's going to pay me. Okay. Oh man, I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm just kidding. Uh, still, Sujit, I'm really happy, brother. I'm happy because I got my profit more than enough from Monday. Still, I'm bullish until this buy sell liquidity is not taken. I'm bullish. I'm not interested to take any kind of sell. Okay. Is the candle 220 breaker block? There is no breaker block. There is no breaker block. For being a breaker block, it has to do something like this. See this parallel gap? If it is closed, if this parallel gap is closed fully by the body, then I will look for breaker block again. If it is not closed by the body, here is no breaker block. Okay, Tamimi. It's little tricky, brother. The breaker block things is little tricky, but yeah, I tried to make it simple. I don't know how far I can make it simple. Okay, the theme is market will take the liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap trade, then order block trade. Market will make a area that will be unfilled. When that unfilled area is filled by the body later, then I will look for the breaker block. See this unfilled area? Market has taken some liquidity, market structure sheet, fair value gap trade, then water block trade, market went higher. This is that unfilled area. This unfilled area is trade filled here. Now I have started to look for breaker block. Now actually the theme is market was inside the lunch hour, so I didn't look for breaker here. Instead of that, I went with this breaker block here. Low, high, lower low. This is that breaker block. This low failed to take that low. Another confirmation, market is going higher. I took that breaker block entry. Over here, it went lower. I showed that in the morning session. This low has closed the unfilled area from the big run. Okay. Now I didn't show it, but if you go to your 1 minute chart, you will find that on. Then this was my breaker block. Market went higher. So yeah, that's the rules here. This is kind of 22 IT model. Market has taken the liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap, market will go higher, but this entry is not valid to take. Why? Because market is reversing from a random area. I mean, not random actually. This is kind of, there is no fair value gap, no from hourly, no from 15-minute chart. So this run didn't trade any last fair value, any fair value from high time frame. So you can't frame your trade over here. You just can't do it because it's going to work or not. I don't know. I don't know. It can work. It has 50-50 chance. Yeah, that's the thing, brother. Got stopped out. Sorry for taking your opposite trade, Tito. No, 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 no. Selim, why you are just telling that, man? You saw that's a better opportunity. You go for that. Perfect, man. This is called. I mean, you went with the precision. The only thing I am not agree with you, that is the market structure shift. This is not absolutely perfect market structure shift in my opinion. I wouldn't take that entry. Even if I was looking for sell, I wouldn't take that entry because that market structure shift was not clean, something like that. But otherwise, it was rejecting from the new week opening gap. You saw this as a market structure shift, though it's not perfect, but it was just cool. Okay, then immediate reaction, 1 2 3, within 3 candle it has traded that fair value gap, went lower. So yeah, okay, but I was just reading the story, what is going to happen, the story. How do you read the story from 15-minute chart? What do you see from the 15-minute chart? Let me clean everything over here. Okay, I don't need NT. Oh no, I need that. I don't need anything here. Just a second. Okay, let it go. And I'm gonna close the execution. From 15-minute chart, what do you see? There it has traded the hourly fair value gap. I explained everything. Okay, it's not a random reversal. Do you see buy side liquidity or do you see sell side liquidity? I can see buy side liquidity over here. So until this buy side liquidity is not taken, I'm bullish. Today I don't want to see market will take that buy side liquidity, but if it has taken that buy side liquidity, nothing is wrong with that. Then I have this last fair value gap. It can trade that fair value gap. Tomorrow it will go lower again, little lower, because it has taken the Friday low. So it will trade any kind of lower fair value gap tomorrow. Then it will expand higher. That's my expectation. I will explain that tomorrow. Okay. But yeah, I have seen the buy side liquidity only. I should not look for the sell. You have to read the story from 15-minute chart. That's the thing, brother. Same, just simple logic. Where is your liquidity? Here is your liquidity. What is today? Today is the Monday. What is Monday? Accumulation phase. Market went lower. It's come here. What is that? Accumulation. To. That's the accumulation, right? It went lower. It come higher. This is accumulation. Market is just accumulating the price. That's all. Simple. I am not short. I'm not going to take any short until this buy side liquidity is taken. After taking that buy side liquidity, maybe I'll think about the short for a small short period of time. Until this is not taken, I'm not going to take short. I don't care if market go lower or if market go anywhere or sideways. I don't care. All I care, I want to see market will take that buy side liquidity and it will trade that fair value gap. Then if it wants to go a little lower, okay, no problem, it can go. But here, until here, I'm not interested to take short. What do you see over here? What do you see? What is this called? What is this called? You know what is this called? I believe that you know. So even after seeing this thing, if you are going to take short, that means you are not reading the story. You have to read the story. From 1 minute chart, not agree with you. Yeah, so that is what it is. But yeah, to be honest, I'm going to ask Sujit to send me the money, because if he told me that, brother, it's going to take you low, I would put my stop loss just little below. Just look over here. What did it has done? Just take that low. Just that low specifically. Why? Because I put my stop loss over there. Brother, will you talk and make video this week about the first parallel gap? I thought that, but because of some of the question, I should not talk about the first parallel gap yet. Okay? If I do that, trust me, you all will confused, man. You will be very confused. So far, I have explained how to take the first parallel gap entry, but when it is going to create it, I didn't talk. So yeah, I am not sure that I should talk about that right now or not. Should I take more time? I think I should take little more time. Little more time. It's for your good, okay? Not for me. Make us confused, don't worry. No problem, we are not ready. If you think so, you are not ready. Absolutely, you are not ready, brother. It will take little more time. Any Indian trading with future prop? Yeah, any Indian from here is trading uh, with future prop firm. If anyone, please let winning streak know that. RK16, not shallow. It's a obvious liquidity. Yep, I agree with you. That's called the obvious liquidity. If it is a shallow run, if you see, that's just name. If you see the shallow run, then you will call it the obvious liquidity. Okay. Look how new week opening gap is respecting. Obviously, it can respect, brother, but at the end of the time, it's going to be broken. It can just, it's not respecting, it's just giving you the reaction. At the end of the time, it's going to be broken. Now, I'm not the market maker. I don't know the future. That's my expectation. Okay. Don't think I know everything, so market is going to do that. Now, I don't know anything. Okay. But yeah, I believe that market is going to break that new week opening gap, because that new week opening gap doesn't meet the requirement to be to stay in my chart. It doesn't meet the requirement. So I didn't mark it. If I would mark that, I would be confused by that run. I would be confused. To be honest, I would start to think maybe market is not going to take that buy side liquidity. Instead of that, it's falling. I would think like that way. That's why I didn't even put it on my chart. Okay, that is the reason. What I do, I never do that without any reason, without any intention. That is the reason I didn't put it over there, because it didn't meet the requirement. The requirement new week opening gap has to meet is at least 10 handle. If it doesn't meet the requirement, I don't need it to put it in my chart. If I put it, I'll get confused. I don't want to be confused with my direction. Okay, clear, brother? I want 560 to hold now. Okay, let's hold, brother. Make a video of first parallel gap and send link to the people who aren't too confused. I'm ready. Ahmed, I will tell, I will explain, okay? If I'm not dead, if I'm not going to die, I will explain that, okay? Trust me. But give little more time to the last parallel gap. Please, brother. The way I'm explaining, please just give little more time over here. When time will come, I will explain. I'm explaining the things, right? I didn't start with this last parabolic because I knew that you guys will be confused. I didn't start my streaming or my YouTube channel with the last parabolic. I started my streaming with the easiest one, that is called macro, the easiest one. So yeah, so I believe that you will understand the fact, brother. You said 224 candle was valid for market structure shift, but learn from you weak trading in old parabolic gap is valid for MSS. With what is your question? You said 224. 224. This candle, what did you say? Yeah, this is a displacement. But yeah, I told that this is market structure shift. Yeah, it made the rules. It has met the rules. But this low, see this is not swing. Okay, this is not swing. This is just sideways. Look at these candles. They're sideways. That's why I wouldn't go for that. This is not swing. What is swing? Look over here. Market went lower, curve. There is a curve. How many times I have to show you that? There is a curve. Here, this is a curve. If I see this type of curve, then I will mark them as my swing. See, this is a curve. Simple thing, brother. But look over here. There is a curve. No, this is the sideways candle. Every candle is sideways. Now the obvious liquidity has taken, but body didn't close above that. If body failed to close above that, it's not good. I want to see a body close above that obvious liquidity. If it is going to happen, then you know 18577.75. I want to write down boom over there in advance if market can close above that level. I know, I'm not, I'm always wrong. I know that, brother. Hey, mate, did you watch ICT live stream? Any other playlist or just only watch 22 videos and backtest? Money, I have watched all of his videos. Until 2023, I have watched all of his videos. But the videos he has started to upload from 2024, I didn't watch any of them. Not even a single video. I didn't watch any of them, okay? Until 2023, there is not even a single video in his channel which I didn't study. But you don't need them. Okay, you don't need them. The body closed below this line. So until body won't close above that line, I'm not sure that market is going to take that one or not. In my opinion, market has to take that one. In my opinion, that's my expectation. Now I can be wrong with my direction. I can be, okay. I can be wrong. You need to take that money from him. Haha. Yeah, I'm gonna take that money from Sujit. Sujit, get ready, brother. You should have told me that market is going to stop me out. If you told me that, I would put my stop loss little below. See, what did I stop out? Just look, where did I stop out? Just look at this. Can you see where I got stopped out? Can you see the arrow over here? Just look. I got stopped out over there. If I just put one tick below that low, I wouldn't be stopped out. I'm not kind of person who is actually better or very popular. I don't know, but still. Okay, it closed above this buy side liquidity. Now you are going to see boom, something like that. Now it can spend a little more time because we are very near to 3. So yeah, it can stay more time, little more time to reach over there. If I am not absolutely wrong, then if I am not absolutely wrong, then okay. Precision stop out, brother. That was awesome, man. I understand that. I was saying swing low should be traded in a parabolic before as well to be valid MSS. Go to my channel. Come to my channel, okay? Go to my playlist. From the playlist, go to study. From study, first watch this video. What is market structure shift? How to avoid losing trade part 2. See this blue color written? Watch that video first. then watch this video, how to avoid losing trade. Watch this too. Your doubt will be clear, brother. You will never need to ask me the question again. What is market structure shift? Trust me. Today, really hard. I stopped 3 to 4 times. 10 point moves quickly come. You should not do overtrade. You should not do it. Okay. Pro trader path. I was talking about that stop loss by tick on phone. Yeah, man. Just tick by tick. Now, if you knew that before, you should have told me that. Then you and Sujit, both of you are going to pay me the money. Okay. It was a huge money. I mean, from here to here, $30, 30 handle, man, near about $600. You have to pay me that. Thank you for your guidance. No problem, Pete. Go to my channel, man. Study this study folder. Study this study folder. You will get a lot of things, brother. Trust me. Let's see, did I get any subscriptions today or not? Stream sniping. Okay. Market makers stopped you out by tick. Oh man. Oh well, I am very near to 4644. Seriously, man? My target was 4600. Now I got 4645. I just need 5 more people to make it 4650. Let's see if I can hit that or not. See, to profit will come from Sujit and Pro Trader Path today. I am expecting that if both of them is not going to pay my money, I'm gonna kill both of them. Okay, I'm just kidding. They should give me the money. Okay, if they told me that, bro, just put your stop loss one tick below, I would catch that move, right? See, tick by tick. It's okay. I'm not upset. Sometimes it happens. I'm happy because it give me the partial over there. Then 1200, right? So here from there was my entry, one partial, then I stopped out here. I'm still happy. But I was thinking that market is not going to go below that constant investment, not even a single tick. But it went little lower. It happens sometimes. New hourly candle. Yep. Let's see. I'm not going to hourly chart right now. It's because if this two level is broken, order block and mean threshold, if this two level is broken before reaching over there, then I will go to our hourly chart and I will frame my another trade. Okay? If market break both of those levels, then only then I'll go to hourly chart or 50-minute chart to look for a fair value gap to frame another trade. Have you made video on your last fair value gap concept? I watch you live every day. Go my YouTube channel one more time. From there, go to this fair value gap concept. From there, the last two video. Last fair value gap for price action by ICT trading concept part 1. Last fair value gap for price action by ICT trading concept part 2. Right now, watch these two. I will add more over here, okay? More over here. Now I write down boom over here. If it is not going to work, you guys will start to tell, ah man, you're wrong. Okay, I need to go to hourly chart now. There is my hourly fair value gap. I'm gonna mark it. And I would love to go 15-minute chart. Nothing from 15-minute chart, okay. So yeah, if I want to frame another trade, market has to reach here first. Before taking that buy side liquidity. Before taking that buy side liquidity, market has to reach over here. After coming here, if market give me another setup toward that buy side liquidity, I will go for that. Otherwise, I will just sit stunned and I will see how it is going to work. Okay? Until now, this is not broken. Body close below that mean threshold, then it will be broken. Until then, it's not broken. Even one candle close below that mean threshold, it's not enough. The very next candle has to close below the mean threshold again. Then it will be the close, okay, something like that. Have to go. Thank you for the sessions today. You are most welcome. Each penny. Trade selling macro. Okay, this candle, if it close below that mean threshold, I'm gonna close. I mean, delete everything from here. If this candle close below that mean threshold again. Last hour, pursuit of liquidity. Here is your liquidity. I have this liquidity. Absolutely perfect liquidity. It's not broken. 4645. I just need 5 more people. Let's see if I can hit that. Am I willing to take sell? No, I'm not interested to take sell. Not even for a single moment. I'm not willing to take sell. All I'm willing to take buy. Short trading week. This week, good Friday market close, but we have news. Red folder weird. This week is perfect. I mean, except the Wednesday, it's perfect. Now my target is this sell side liquidity. Let's see if it can take that shallow run. That means the obvious liquidity. Okay, so I'm gonna put it below. Market should go and take that low. It has to reach here. Then it should frame another trade toward that buy sell liquidity. That's makes I'm gonna remove it from my chart. This guy is always doing fun with me. First, it has to come here. Take that obvious low. Make another setup from here. Then go toward that buy sell liquidity. I'll be interested to that. Otherwise, I'm not interested. If market keep falling, falling, falling until here, I'm not interested to take sell. No, 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 no. 4647. Just 3 more people. And I'm gonna boom. At the same time, guys, there is near about 150 people, but I get only 68 likes. I deserve some likes. Okay, I deserve really some likes. I really deserve it. I'm not just showing you one setup, then I'm done with that. No, I'm just keep reading the price one after another, one after another. It's not easy, brother. After ending the session, my head start to spin because reading all of this price action. Keep talking with you guys. It's not easy. It's a really hard job. I deserve some likes from you guys. If you don't like it, just give me the dislike. It's okay, but don't just leave it. To the chat box, you can see there is a link from Stream Elements. That is my Twitter link. If anyone is interested to follow me through my Twitter, you are welcome. I really do a lot of things to my Twitter. So yeah, you are welcome if you follow me through my Twitter. It won't be bad, okay? It won't be the bad decision, trust me. Whoever subscribe to my channel, don't just disappear. Keep coming, brother. Keep coming. Just keep coming. Hey folks, please hit the like button, share this stream to your friends, subscribe to his channel. Yeah, thank you. Thanks, Ryan, and thanks for reminding them that. Thank you, man. What I want to do is we appreciate you, brother. Thank you, Big Uzi. Thank you, man. 10,000 like? Seriously? Okay. Reading price action and our comments makes you crazy, brother. Yeah, I feel like that. It's really made me crazy. After every single day, my head spins for 1 hour, half an hour, 1 hour, sometimes 1 and 2 hours. It keeps spinning. What I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for price come here. What is that? That is hourly fair value gap. First price has to reach over here. If it can reach over here, then if it can give me another market structure shift, I'm gonna take that buy. Otherwise, I'm not going to do anything over here. I'll just watch the price. This is the last hour. The setup from the last hour actually create between 315 to 345. In between 315 and 345, there will be a setup. Okay, so all I want to see, market will take that sell liquidity. It will tap to that hourly fair value gap. Why hourly fair value gap? Why not 15-minute fair value gap? Go to your 15-minute fair value gap, watch the price action. There is nothing. Just sloppiness, just long weeks. So from 15-minute chart, I'm not interested to do anything. So I will stay here until price give me another market structure shift toward that buy side liquidity. Hey George, how are you? What's up today? Did you take any entry today, brother? Let me know that. I'm unable to more than one. So right here, 10k. What did you say? Fazlul Kabir? I'm unable to more than one. Or so right here, 10k. Okay, I think you tell something about. Uh, I am little confused, brother. At what time you break your fasting as per market timing EST? Around 8:30. Not exactly 8:30, actually 8:18. So after I break my fast at 8:18 EST, New York local time. Then I pray. After praying, I come to stream. And yeah, now it is inside the hourly fair value gap. Now is the time to look for buy again. Am I going to push my button? No, I'm not going, because I'm already more than profitable. Okay, more than I was expecting. I'm already got a lot of profit from today. So yeah, I'm not interested to take for any other entry, but here I will start to look for a buy entry again. If market break that fair value gap, keep going lower. I'm not interested to take anything over there. All I'm interested is to take buy. Why market take that low? Because that was obvious liquidity. Simple. I took two entries, one loss, one London, and a great win on New York. Congratulations, brother. 18,511.25, 18,511.24. Okay, so you are expecting market is coming going lower. I'm not expecting that. I'm expecting market will go higher. From this level cap, market will go higher. That's my expectation. Okay. I have the best mentor. George, don't say that, brother. Oh man. Okay, Sergio, let me check one more time what you are talking about. No, brother, I'm not agreeing with you. If market would love to go lower, here is a fair value gap from 15-minute chart. I'm gonna mark that 15-minute fair value gap. I'll keep an eye to that fair value gap here from 15-minute chart. I will keep an eye to that fair value gap. Okay, when it is coming higher, let's see if I can have any opportunity to take buy. If I get it, I'll go for that. Otherwise, I'm done for today. Okay. Otherwise, I'm done. Yeah. I'm just looking for buy. That's all, brother. I'm not looking for sell. Thank you. Congratulations, brother. Church Camarero. As a thank you for brother, please share this live stream to your friends. Yeah, please share it. I entered your entrance AM in Newark. Very good. In PM, I didn't see you. Oliveris, what was that? I entered your entrance AM in Newark. Very good. In PM, I didn't see you. Okay. I don't know what you are talking about. Okay. Very near to hit my target here. 4648. Very near to hit my target over here. 577.75. So I'm very near to both of those targets. Both of those target is very near to me. Let's see if we can hit any of them. I don't want to be absolutely wrong. At the end of the day, I don't want to be absolutely wrong. So I want to be right in either way. He took your trade in the morning. He mean that you shouldn't do that. Jamie, you shouldn't do that. If you did it, you did something wrong. Okay. I always refer that please don't copy my trade. That's always my recommendation or my request to all of you. I'm back. I can see tons of dramas here. Hassan, drama has end already. I'm just waiting to another boom until that buy side liquidity and another boom until that 650 level. So this two boom is waiting for. If market keep going lower, I'm not interested to take sell. That's all. Yeah, that's all. All I believe that this 50-minute last parallel gap will hold the price, send it back toward that buy side liquidity. That's all I want to say. 134 people is watching and I need little more likes. Okay. Oh, you passed more than 50 subs today, brother. Yeah, I got it. I mean, Hassan, you in the morning you told that 600, remember? So yeah, I got more than 50 subscriber today. So I just need two more subscriber so that it can hit 50. Just two more subscriber. Congratulations, brother. You are doing this job. I guess so. Guys, if there is anyone able to make short video for T2, cuts the important part of his topic and make it in small video, I think it will be amazing for us faster the important things. Because he talk more of ICT himself. Think about it, guys. If anyone can do it, please. Yeah, please. You can try it, okay? I talk more. I talk more than ICT. I'm sorry for that. I keep talking. What can I do? Okay, I learned from ICT. I learned it from ICT. Okay, ICT is responsible for that. I was looking for a fast fair cup entry over here, but this low didn't trade the fair gap. When this low didn't trade the fair gap, I'm not interested to take that fast fair gap entry. I'm not interested. Okay, if this low could trade that fair gap, I would look for this fair gap as a fast fair gap entry. You understand? If or if there was an entry fair gap, so there is nothing. These lows didn't trade any kind of fair gap around that area. It didn't do that. Yeah, so I can't just go for that first fair gap entry, but still I will observe this gap. Okay, for here I'm gonna mark it. Yeah, that means my expectation is something like this. Let me show you here something. The first fair gap entry works like that way, but it's not valid because this low didn't trade that fair gap. Otherwise everything was perfect. You see this low didn't take out by that low, so there is a perfection over here, but the only thing is this low didn't trade the fair value gap. That's the only thing. When market will close above that, if it was the perfect first fair value gap, I would look for that entry. But yeah, it is not work like that way. So I am not able to take that entry. That's all. What can I do? Our 16 soldier. What can I do, brother? Two guys is not pushing their button. Is that my fault? No, I'm not. That's not my fault, brother. 131 watching and 86 likes. Please hit the like button, folks, as support to our brother. Please do that. Price had a good reaction from consequent investment of new week opening gap. Can be, brother. Still, I'm looking for buy. I'm not interested to take sell. That's all. If market, as I told, if market keep going lower, I'm not interested at all. Is there any swing high which is valid for shifting market structure? Absolutely not. There is not a single swing high which is valid for shifting market structure until now. No, nothing. What is this two line? Two red line. 15-minute last fair value gap. Where the price came? 15-minute last fair value gap. Is it going higher? It can be. What should I look for? Market structure shift, fair value gap, immediate reaction toward that buy side liquidity. Do I have any market structure shift here? Is there any swing high which is valid for shifting market structure? Absolutely not. Why these two highs is not valid for shifting market structure? Because this is relatively equal highs, exactly equal highs, not a swing high. Okay, so I'm not interested to mark that as my market structure shift. If market come here, and take that buy side liquidity, what you are going to do? I'm gonna miss that entry. What is why you should miss that entry? Because I don't have the FOMO. If I miss that entry, that means I will say today is just a bad day. Tomorrow I will get a better opportunity to take entry. But that's why I can't just break my rules. Simple thing. Why you are not thinking that this is going to work as a first fair value gap? Because these lows didn't trade the fair value gap. There is no fair value gap that has been traded by these lows. So this is not the first fair value gap. If it works, it can work. Nothing is wrong with that. It can work. Absolutely it can work. But I'm not interested. Simple, okay? I gave you the every answer you can ask me. Stop crying. Guys, push the like for keep focus on the price only, and when he close the stream just remove the like. What a great idea, brother. What a great idea. Oh man. Some of you will think this is a very nice market structure shift. I am not agree with you. It's not even a market structure shift. I am not going with that. If it works, bro, what is going to happen? I'm gonna miss that trade. I am just going to miss that trade, nothing else. Why you are not looking for sell? Because I have this plain buy side liquidity. Market has to take that buy side liquidity. It can reverse from here. Now I don't have any idea is it reversing from new week opening gap or not. If it is reversing from the new week opening gap and if it keep going lower, it's perfectly okay for me. I don't need to take the participate. I don't need to be participate to that lower run. I'm happy to wait for the buy setup. Okay, that's why I don't need it. Why didn't you mark the new week opening gap? Because that is less than 10 handle. That means that new week opening gap has no right to stay on your chart. It has no right, but it's reacting from that new week opening gap. I don't care. I don't care. I just don't care. I just missed one run. That's all. Simple. Questions for MSS? Absolutely. Is this swing high is valid for shifting market structure? Absolutely not. Until now, it's not. But if it can make another swing high here that is lower than that swing high, then it will be valid for shifting market structure. But brother, you told this is not even a swing high. No, I am not marking this as my swing high. I'm just using that one to make this high as a swing high. So I don't need the perfection over here. I just need kind of high. That's all. Simple. Is it inversion fair value gap? No, it's not inversion fair value gap. I told that it could be the first fair value gap if this low could trade the fair value gap. When it failed to trade that fair value gap, it's not even uh, eligible for being a first fair value gap. I did it. I mean, I just marked it like that way. I want to see how it reacts. If it reacts or not at all. That's why. If it can go below that constant encroachment of that week, I'm gonna remove all of this thing from my chart. That's all. That is funny, brother. But on a serious note, kindly show your love to our brother by hitting the like, sharing this stream, and subscribing to his channel. Thanks. RK16 is with me for so long. Uh, uh, Ryan. Okay, he's with me for so long. He's a soldier, and he's like Peter. Okay. Okay, so it's not valid anymore. I'm gonna remove it from my chart. He's like Peter. Okay, he just do the fun. So I'm not. And thanks to all for subscribing. 4650 subscribing. Thanks, man. I'm gonna remove it from my chart. Market, where did it trade? Last Fabrica from 1 minute chart. All I want the reversal now, not react. Okay, it didn't trade that yet, but still it's okay. I just keep it on over here and I will see if it can trade that on, then it can reverse or not. All I need just a reversal now. Does it need to trade that last Fabrica from 1 minute chart? No, it doesn't need it. Why? Because I have this 50-minute last Fabrica. It is holding the price. That's enough for me. If it can reach until that 1 minute last Fabrica, that is over confirmation. Over confirmation that market is not coming back here again before taking that buy sell liquidity. My expectation is I'm going higher. If you are looking for sell, if you find out any kind of setup, go for that. Just go for that. Okay. I believe that you will understand my logic, the way I'm thinking. This is the thing I was telling you to grab. When market is going against my expectation, I'm not even getting any panic. Why market is falling? Why market is falling? Because market is falling because to take liquidity. If it never go higher, then I am not going to take my entry. What does it mean? I'm not going to lose anything. That's all. Simple. T2, the first fair value gap you talk about it. Why not call it A plus inversion fair value gap? For inversion fair value gap, there is some kind of another rules. Okay, I talked about the inversion fair value gap some days ago. Then I stopped because ICT again remind all of his student that nobody knows about the inversion fair value gap. So I stopped talking about inversion fair value gap and I stopped taking entry to inversion fair value gap. So whatever ICT actually told directly, nobody knows about that. I stopped talking about them. That's all. Now ICT never talk about last fair value gap, first fair value gap, anything. So I'm keep talking about them. Where price came, 1 minute last fair value gap. If it can go above, then I will look for what to say. I mean the buy setup again. Is this swing high valid for shifting market structure? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. And this crazy talkative guy helped me a lot. I wish to help him in something cause me, I don't say thanks only for people who help me. Hope you got me. Okay, just let it go. RK16, I made it clear, okay? So RK16 is with me for so long and he's kind of like he's the guy kind of Peter. Very funny guy. Okay. Sub boom. Yeah, team there was 5-0, then one guy actually unsubscribed and make it 4-9. He's jealous. He's very jealous. To the comment box, there is my Twitter link. Please follow me over there. Trust me, you will never be regret. Never ever by following me over there. That is absolutely awesome, brother. RK16. Much love. It's the message from Ryan. Chris. Thank you. Look at that random random level. The week closed perfectly. Okay, you were talking about this random level? Yeah, I know. Actually, I keep saying that for Harman. Harman told me that he doesn't believe in that, so he's not going to agree with me. So I keep telling that. Okay. Miguel, you are late, brother. Why are you working? Is this swing high is valid for shifting market structure? If market can go lower little bit, then it will be valid for shifting market structure. If market can make a curve here. Until now, this is sideways. See, sideways candle. So sideways candle is not valid for being a swing high. If it can make a swing high here, then this will be valid for shifting market structure. This high will be valid for shifting market structure. How can I make it more clear? 5 minute breaker short. Okay, I'm not going to 5 minute chart. I don't go to 5 minute chart. Okay, is it valid for breaker block? Now, no, it's not valid for breaker block now. 15 minute Fabrica fully filled. That's perfect. I'm happy to see that, but it's not valid. I mean, 15 minute Fabric gap is not related with 1 minute breaker block. 4550 subscriber, thank you for your support, folks. Yeah, thanks to all for your support, man. I'm working and watching the stream on the background, bro. You should not do that, Leonardo. You should not do that. You should go and focus on your job, brother. Okay. Here's the part I want to see something. See this candle and the constant encroachment. I don't want to see a body close below that constant encroachment. Remember at the morning session, how did I outline? This is that same candle. I'm gonna put it here. I don't want to see anybody will close below that constant encroachment if market would love to go higher. This swing high is valid for shifting market structure. This swing high, it is valid for shifting market structure over here. Is this swing high is valid for shifting market structure because this high has traded that parabolic gap? No, this is just sideways candle. Look, this is a swing and this is just sideways candle. Like over here, sideways candle. This is a swing. This is a swing. I don't know how can I make it more clear. Uh, okay, my job is looking to security cameras, bro. Oh, okay. Then it's okay, brother. Brother, will you stream London session tomorrow? I guess I will. I guess I will. Not 100% sure, brother. I have to go out tomorrow. I have some personal job to do. I'm not sure. But even if I am able to do that, maybe I will go. I will come here to the silver bullet time. That means 4 a.m. I believe that. Okay. If someone escaped from the hospital, I blame you, Titu. Hourly family gap was still valid as it was closed by bodies. Absolutely, it is valid even if there is hourly family gap. Nothing is wrong with that. When I got the 15-minute family gap, I don't need that hourly family gap. I got this 15-minute family gap. I didn't see this 15-minute family gap before. When I have seen this 15-minute family gap, this is perfectly valid. When you can't take your, I will expect a big candle right now, just a big candle right now. I'm expecting a big candle right now, just a big candle. Either way. Okay, I got that big candle toward the downside. It's okay. So I'm gonna miss every opportunity to take buy, and I'm done. Okay, a body didn't close below the consequent encroachment yet. Let's see how where the body closed. If the body closed below the consequent encroachment, I'm done. I'm done. I wanted a big candle right now, not this type of very Mickey Mouse move. Huge candle. No entry is valid from here. No entry is valid after this line. Even if you take any entry over here, you have to close that here. So no entry is valid after here. Even if you take any kind of entry, you have to close it here. This is forbidden. You can't break that rules. Is it still valid? Absolutely it is valid. Why? Because the body didn't close below that consequent encroachment. Are you looking for the same thing still now? Yeah, I'm looking for the same thing still now. If market can go above that high, I'll get my uh, market structure shift. Okay, yeah, we going up. I don't know, Gaurav. How can I know, brother? I really don't know. 4652. Oh man, thank you so much. Membership will be appreciated. There is the membership link to my comment. If anyone is interested, you can do that as well. Okay, you can take the membership, and yeah. Did I get market structure shift? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I didn't get it. When you will say that you got your market structure shift, until now this swing high is valid for shifting market structure. I want to learn ICT. Okay. Mm, what should I say you, brother? I mean, if you want to learn ICT, what should I say you? I should say you congratulations, you are on the right way to read this very precise price action. Is it that relatively equal loss? Let's check it. I believe that market has taken the liquidity. I believe it. Okay, I'm gonna mark it and I'm gonna show it to you. See, market has taken the liquidity. So this is not relatively equal loss. But brother, you told us this is the obvious liquidity. Yeah, it's obvious liquidity when you are looking for sell. then you will go for that. When you are looking for sell, right now I'm looking for buy. I don't I don't care about that. Simple. Where should I start? Okay, if you are very new, then go to ICT's channel, the Inner Cycle Trader. You will find that in YouTube. From there, start watching 22 mentorship. Just watch that on, finish that on. There is 41 videos. Watch all of those videos, take notes, spend at least 3 to 4 months. Okay, at least 3 to 4 months. That's the starting point to learn ICT. Okay, I just can't tell you to stay to my channel for learning. I can't tell you that, because if you are really a newcomer, if you really don't know what is 22 IT model, then you have to start from there. There's no other way. So logic for the setup. What did you say? Which setup? Market has taken the liquidity. I'm waiting for the market structure shift. I have this clean buy side liquidity. I'll go for that if you're asking for that. Okay. This is brother's Twitter link. Appreciate you joining his Twitter. Thank you, folks. Yeah, thank you, Ryan, for putting the link over there. Yeah, there's the Twitter link. If anyone interested, you can follow me over there. Okay. Gaurav, I'm new. Yeah, brother, if you're new, you have to watch that. Okay. These were my sell targets from my short earlier, but done for today. Take care, brother, and pitch view with you all. See you, Shahid. See you tomorrow, brother. I'm gonna complete my session until 4. Then I'm gonna close my session. Okay. Dude, do you work at any call center? Your voice kind of feels like someone working at one. Jai Prajapati, is it really so boring? Is it really so boring, man? Just a second. Just a second. Just watch this tweet. I find out people who do the live stream in YouTube, they talk in a cute way. I'm exactly the opposite. Okay, I have tweeted that yesterday, okay? And you just told me that. So let me know. Is it really so boring? No, man. I was watching ICT streaming. I mean ICT's video lot of time for near about 3 years now. Okay, exactly 3 years. I'm watching his video for a long time, and yeah, I just I got that with him from him. Okay, is that little swing high is valid for MSS? I told that no. This one is valid for shifting market structure until now. Except this one, no market structure shift is valid, and all I need displacement. Without displacement, if I see this type of Mickey Mouse move, I won't say this is the market structure shift. I need a displacement. Kinda. Oh, I'm sorry, Prajapati. If I'm boring, I mean, if it's boring, I'm extremely sorry, brother. Meet Patel, Jai Prajapati, your voice is probably worse. No, 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 man. Oh, man, I just keep talking. I know. Bibi, how are you today? Red or green? Red or green? Ah, this is the part. This is my question. I mean, I love this question. So here was my first trade. I got near about 33 handle over here. Then I took two small losses. Near about it was near about 12 9 20 70. How much? Let me check. 33 21. So 12 handle and 12 handle and 9 handle, 8 handle. So 20 handle. So here was my profit for 33 handle. Here is profit for 20 handle or something like that. Okay. So 13 handle, and here I took an profit from here like near about 39.63. That means 24 and 12. You can do the math. Lot of profit, man. Lot of profit. Just took that to small loss. It happens. But big win. Yeah, I'm in profit today. I'm in profit to subscriber as well because I got a lot of subscriber today. I'm really so happy. Bro, you Indian? Gaurav, are you asking me? No, I'm not from India. I'm from Bangladesh, brother. Brother, you talk even cuter than Tanja. Comment of the day, man. Uh, see you, Shahid, tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Are you Bangladesh? I'm from Bangladesh, brother. Yeah, Ahmad. Oh, man. Yeah, I talk too much. I know that. I'm sorry for making you bored, guys. I can't stop. I just keep talking, keep talking, keep talking. Is this swing high is valid for shifting market structure? Absolutely valid for shifting market structure. But as you see, this high and that high, they are very near to each other. I will go with that one instead of that one because this is more obvious. I will go with that one. Yeah, we need a voice modulator and girl voice. Just joking, sir. And we get 1000 live views easily. Oh, okay. So live views actually depend on the voice. If it is a girl's voice, then it will be more. There will be more viewers, I guess. Sanjay usually do yes, and you do Okay. I don't know why people rush to Tanza to see her face, lol. She's a great trader. Okay, she's really a great trader. As ICT keep, I mean, keep pushing her. Obviously, she would be the one of the best trader. I believe so. I don't know. After Patrick, she's the best. As our appreciation for brother for the price of a coffee, kindly consider becoming a member of this channel. Click the join button now. Thank you. You're most welcome. No entry is valid after 3:45. Oh man. If 1531 is valid fair value gap after MSS, where's 31? No, it's not valid for shifting market structure. Until this high is not broken, I'm not interested to take any kind of buy over here. If it can go by this candle above that high, still there is a very small room. Okay, even if it cleared that, then I have to wait for the market fair value gap. Then fair value gap entry. I will have maybe 3 to 4 minutes only left. So yeah, it's kind of risky trade. Still, I didn't. Okay, now I got the market structure shift. Okay, I got the market structure shift. Yeah, ICT came to live on chat to help her, and people just was joking. Tanja is its daughter. ICT actually cleared that Tanja looks like his daughter. Okay, so yeah, brother, could we say that MSS you marked is MSS because price made a swing low before reaches that MSS? Yeah, I told that this is the valid MSS because I have a swing low on my right here. I have a swing low here. So any of them you can mark as your here. There is also a swing low. See this candle? I have a lot of swing low on my right. I have a swing low on my left. Both of them are lower than that high. So it is a valid market structure shift. Now here is the fair value gap, the entry fair value gap. This is the last fair value gap. Okay, so I'm gonna mark them over here, and this is the last fair value gap over here. Okay, so something like this here. If I wanted to take the entry. This is the perfect entry from today. If you ask me from today, this is the perfect entry until now. But I'm not interested to take that entry because market is very near to close the session. Very near, okay? 349. After 349, no entry should be hold. That's why I'm not interested to take that entry. Instead of that, I will just observe the price, how it works, okay? But if you ask me, until now, this is the only entry from today. The only entry, depending on the A++ entry. This is the only entry. So yeah, so it's booming. What is booming actually? The price? Let's see if it works or not. And if I'm not absolutely wrong, it should work. But I'm not interested, okay, because market is very near to close it. So it can be volatile. In that type of situation, I would love to put here. Not here because market is very near to 350. Around 350, there's sometimes big volatility. So yeah, 12 handle is not huge. I better keep it over there below that low. And let's see if it works or not. Boom, 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 boom. I got 654, I mean 54. The amount hit my 50. I am really happy. I'm really happy. Now there is 15-minute fair value gap above. Market might react from constant and cosmet. It can create react from there. Nothing's wrong with that. But yeah, as I'm bullish, I don't give the priority to that bearish fair value gap. As I'm bullish, I'm not giving priority to the bearish fair value gap. The only thing is missing. Market is very near to close. Okay, so this is the candle line. After this candle, no entry is valid. Okay, so this is that line. If you have already in the trade, you can't hold it after 349. You can't hold it. That's why see how many candle? One, two, three, then four, seven candle. I have just seven candle opportunity to hold that trade. That's why I didn't take that entry. Otherwise, I would push my button over here because this is the only setup I got from today. The perfect A plus plus setup. This is that setup. The only reason, oh sorry, 34655. There is the membership link and also the Twitter link on the comment box. Any of that can be triggered by you guys. It will be appreciated. Now, okay, your entry, you entry. No, I'm not gonna take the entry. I don't. I mean, is my English understandable, guys? I told that this is the only entry I saw today, which is absolutely perfect. The A plus plus setup. This is the A plus plus setup. I'm not interested to take entry as I have already taken so many profit over here. I'm already profitable. Market is very near to closing. I'm not interested to put my profit on the table again. I'm not interested. It is very near to, I mean, anything can happen after 349. Anything can happen. I don't want to take loss. Okay, I don't want to take the risk right now. If you ask me, the only setup I'm seeing this, okay, even after creating the setup, I told that this is the only setup I am seeing today from today, the perfect A plus plus setup. That's all, brother. As a friendly reminder, folks, please take notes during the live stream. Brother will greatly appreciate your efforts to learn price action. Thanks. Thank you, Ryan. Keep reminding them. Have you done swing trading or you do? No, I don't do swing trade. I'm able to understand. Okay, thank you for understanding, brother. Thank you, Ryan. Actually, I really appreciate some of you guys who actually keep writing them to give me the likes, to subscribe to my channel, for membership or everything. Okay, I really appreciate that. There is no one to help me except you guys. If you guys help me, lot of people will pray for you. Lot of people. Okay, you are going to get lot of praying from lot of people. Whatever I'm going to give you, you are not going to get it from anywhere else. Nothing. No one is going to give it to you. Trust me, man. So when someone will stay here at least 1 week, then they will start to see the price action in a different way. When they will start to see that, they will start to pray. Okay. Pray for me and for you as well, because you guys keep telling the guys to like it. If you like it, YouTube algorithm will be active for my channel, something like that. Okay. Great job today, Tito. I passed my 100K evaluation today. Thank you. Why you are giving me thanks, bro? It's your job, you have done it, so thank you, man. Congratulations. It's your credit, man. Liked and sub. Thank you, Gaurav. Bro, you have done that. This is your credit. Okay, never give your credit to other people. Never ever. Appreciate yourself. This is your job, you have done that. You pushed your button, you got that thing done. Okay, so you are the one who should be appreciated. So this is the candle. Even if I was in that trade, I have to close it right now. Just right now, I have to close it with some small losses. So you can say one handle losses. I had to close it. That's why I didn't take that entry. So I'm gonna remove it from my chart, and I would love to see the price action clearly right now. If it can hit my target profit as I declared, market is going to take that 18577.75. Let's see if I'm right or absolutely wrong for today. If I'm wrong, then some of you will start to say, okay, this brother doesn't know anything about the price action. I know. I know nothing about the price action. Okay, let it ride. I need to drink some water. Keep talking, talking. I'm just coming back. I will wait until the 4, around 4, I'm gonna close my trade. If market would love to go lower, market should not close below the constant cosment of that. See this move, look at this move. I'm really afraid of this move. Why this move is happening? Around 350. Look at this 350 candle. It is highly volatile. That's why I always tell you, even if you take your entry, you have to close it at 349, because 350 is gonna be very, very volatile, and it will stop me out. I guess I got stopped out. Yeah, I got stopped out. I'm gonna close it because of this volatility. Even if I was right, even market would love to go higher, it can be volatile like that way, around 350. So that's why I told, if you ever take any entry, you have to close it around 349. You should not hold your trade until 350. Okay. So yeah, I will stay until 4, and I will see if market can hit that by side or not. I'll see that. Because I'm learning from you. I'm also learning from you guys. You guys keep giving me the advice. So I'm really happy because you guys give me the advice. Thank you so much for your help, for your advice, and for your everything. Yeah, market is falling actually, or whatever it is going to do. So I'm absolutely wrong, man. I'm really wrong. I'm sorry for asking again, but do you base your model only on Mentorship 2022, or do you combine it with other ICT models? Okay, Daniel, thanks for your question. The thing is, I studied 22 YT model, and from 22 YT model, mentorship, I just took two things. First, market structure shift. I got it from there. I find out that rules from 22 mentorship. The second thing, entry model. Market will take the liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap. Just these two things I got from 22 mentorship. The rest of all, whatever I'm telling you here, that's all invented by me. I studied this price action by myself. I invented every single thing by myself. I'm not the creator. Okay, market is falling, so I'm wrong about that. So market didn't want to take that buy side liquidity today. Maybe it is actually coming here somewhere, and let's see if it is broken or not. But it is what it is. I didn't take that entry. If I ever tell you anything, that's I learned from ICT, even without knowing ICT. I mean, ICT also doesn't know what I learned from him, but yeah, I got it from him. So it's not my thing. The last travel gap, the entry travel gap, the precision, it's not my thing. But ICT never talked about them. I got it by myself, by studying whole price action with hard work. That's all, brother. Okay. Guys, I need to do something. Actually, I'm sorry, but I do this every single time. So I need to change my account and just a second. Okay, I need to connect the paper money. Okay, done. Let's see. And I'm gonna push my button. Okay, I'm sorry, but yeah, I do that every day because after a lot of pressure, I do every day this thing. Okay, for fun, or for refreshment or some or whatever. I don't know. I'm gonna I do that every single time. This is my paper money, so you can see just paper trading. Okay, this is the paper trading. So yeah, this is for my mental refreshment. Okay, I do this thing at the end hour. I just pushed my button. Okay, you have so many videos on your channel about ICT. Should I watch yours? Gaurav, as I told, if you are new, absolutely new, you don't know what is 22 mentorship or 22 YT model, you have to start with ICT's video. You have to go to your ICT's channel. From there, you have to find out 22 mentorship, 2022 private. I mean, sorry, mentorship. You have to finish that 41 videos. Then you will be confused. Trust me, man. It's not gonna clear your doubt. And when you will start to watch those videos, you will start to think, oh man, it is too easy. And then when you will be in the live market, like if your market is like this, your chart is like this, you will start to think, what is going to happen? I don't understand anything. Then you will come back to me. Okay, until then you have to first find out what is going to happen. Okay, so I got it stood out. I took sale. I do this for fun. Okay, because of my mental, what to say, I mean mental clarification or something. I will keep doing this until the it hit my target profit. Okay, until it hit my target profit, I will keep doing this. I do that for my mental. What is that called exactly? I don't know what is that called. 15-minute breaker below act as a support and can long from here, right? No, here is no entry. If you are looking for any entry here, you are gambling. So yeah, you can't gamble. After 3:45, no entry is valid. After 3:45, no entry is valid. Even if you take any entry around 3 a.m., maybe you took an entry around 3 a.m., you have to close it around 3:49. After 3:49, there should not be any trade close on your chart. What you can do like this, like I'm doing right now. You can go to your paper trade without reading any price action, just push your button as many times as you want. Just push your button, okay? For your mental happiness. I do that. It works a lot, man. It really it works. It's a mental pitch, okay? Trust me, man. It's a mental pitch. So I'm gonna target profit over here. Let's see if it can hit my target profit. This is for the mental pitch. Trust me, man. After 3:49, does ICT say that? Here is the part. Colby. Here is the part. ICT didn't say a lot of thing, okay? Then ICT also talked a lot of things which we don't follow. Now, here that is my experience. I told you that from my experience. After 3:49, if you hold your trade, you will hurt yourself. Most of the time, you will hurt yourself. ICT took his trade and he can hold it until 4:10. Sometimes I saw ICT hold his trade until 4:20, 4:30. But yeah, for me, I'm not agree with that. For me, after 3:49, no entry should, I mean, no position should be open on your chart. Around 350, this is not volatility today, but sometimes you will see huge volatility. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing, brother. I'll be done within 3 minutes. Then I'm done for today. Okay, let's see if it can hit my target profit. See how beautiful I am. Now here I'm absolutely wrong. I was thinking that market will take that thing. I was waiting for a setup, but there was no setup. In my opinion, that was the perfect setup, but it was very near to closing the market. So I'm not interested to take that entry. Otherwise, no setup until now. No setup at all. Here that was a perfect setup, but market didn't trade the fair value gap. There, if there was an entry fair value gap, then that could be a perfect setup. but there was no entry fair value gap, so no setup. Add more, add more, add more. I feel this. I feel this. Just one tick will go lower. See the amount of the money over here. I really feel it. I'm able to take that 15 contract to my real account, but I never take more than 5 contracts in my life. I never take that more than 5 contract. One day I will take 15 contract entry. Okay, one day. It bounced from 1 minute favorable gap to 10.55. Brother, still you are reading the price? Seriously, man? Just stop reading the price, man. Market has done its job for today. It's done. Just stop reading the price right now, brother. We're done for today, okay? We just left 1 minute for today's session. Just 1 minute. After this candle, we are done for today. So let it go, brother. I put it this here because this relatively equal loss from 1 minute chart. That's why I put my target profit over there. Just just for fun, man. Oh man. Don't think this is an entry and you just put. No, man. I'm just doing this for fun. Lot of sell. See, 20 handle. I don't have even a stop loss. Correct, Preet. Okay, what is that? Preet, Preet told after 345 entry valid on paper. Absolutely, absolutely correct. After 345, do this. Do this for fun, man. You will feel it. I feel it. Okay, I really feel it after 345. But thanks to all for joining. And this is the last candle. After this candle, I'm gonna close my session. Thanks to all for subscribing to my channel. 4656 people is joined today to my channel. I really thanks give you thank to all of you guys. Really thanks. Okay, thank you, man. Jack, you are right. Jack, it bounced from 1 minute favorable gap from 10.55. Okay, so Martin cleared that he's right. Learning is fun with brother. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Please do that for me. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for today. And I believe that you got something from here. What you should do when it's going against your direction. If you are looking for sell, perfect, no problem. If I was the way I was looking for buy, you saw how I was waiting. I was just waiting from here to take buy. I didn't get any opportunity. I didn't take buy. I got an opportunity here at the end of the day, but I didn't take that entry because it was very near to closing. So yeah, thank you. Tomorrow stream at what time? Leonardo Miguel, I don't know. Just keep an eye to my Twitter. I'll tweet that. Okay. If I able to come here in front of my laptop before 4 a.m. New York local time for the London session, I'll be here. Otherwise, I'll be at 9 a.m. New York local time. That means the New York morning session. So thanks to all for joining today. See you tomorrow. Until then, cheers.